We cook marinated pork belly. Here in Dubai, we boil and wash first the pork because it's not fresh like in the Philippines. Then we marinated it overnight. We drain the sauce and set aside. Then we put it in the air fryer. Look at that! It cooks so beautiful and it smells so good. We turn it over and cook for a few more minutes. While waiting, we cook the sauce. This is the marinated sauce we used for the belly. It's finished! Oh wow! It looks so yummy! It's ready to eat! Let me taste it. It's so yummy! I love it! Kuya Alexis enjoyed it too! Please share and for more. Thank you!